Here are some of the other list operations we frequently use. Count. Count returns number of times an element is present in a list. Sort, to sort the data within the list. Data in the list will be sorted in place. Earlier we have seen sorted. Sorted can be used on top of list or set or dict or tuple. However, sort can be used only on top of list, and the data will be sorted in place. Unlike in the case of sorted, sorted will return a new collection and you have to assign it to some other variable to actually get the sorted results. Reverse can be used to reverse elements in the list. Let's create a string here. S is of type string. You can actually validate by saying type of S. As I have highlighted earlier, string is nothing but list of characters. You can see type of S as str. You can convert a string to list like this by saying L equal to list of S. Because S is also iterable, it will automatically convert to list. Now you can say type of L, it will be list. You can see that A is repeated several times in this. If you want to see how many times it is repeated, we can use count like this. You can get the help on count first. The help says return number of occurrences of value in the list. Now if I say L dot count of A, as A is repeated 5 times, it is showing 5 here. You can validate by saying, by counting A's in S, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you can see 5 here. Similarly, you can say L dot count of Z. It is not repeated at all in the list and hence it is returning 0. It is not even present in the list. Now you can perform in place sort by saying L dot sort like this. You can see the help on sort. It actually sorts in place. Whereas with respect to sorted, if I say sorted question mark, we pass the collection to sorted. It takes iterable as argument. It returns a new list containing all elements from the iterable in ascending order by default. Now I can say L dot sort and then L. You can see that all the characters are sorted from our collection. There is also a function called as reverse. It just reverses the collection and it reverses in place. You can say L dot reverse like this and then L. You can see that data is now reversed in reverse order. This is how you can perform these a bit less common operations such as count, reverse, sort, etc. on top of the list.